Nope.
Oh, I'm so sorry, sir. Do you need any help?
Yeah, I'm looking to see which one I'll get next. I um, just wanted to just walk me through a little bit the pricing and the
Okay.
differences.
Okay,
Mhm.
absolutely. Well, you
If you
can
want,
always
we
go
can.
on
Yeah.
bestbuy.com and see some more of the specifications or anything like that.
Okay.
I'm gonna call a blue shirt over here. I work in inventory, but I'll
Okay.
definitely have somebody over here to explain some of the differences for you.
All right. Thank you.
Alrighty, sir.
Thank you. Nope. Yeah, I've been standing here at Best Buy for over 25 minutes, and I called, try to see if someone could come help me out, and I wanted to get one of these drones, but as you can see, they all seem to be busy, and nobody's coming to attend. So I'm grateful for that gentleman who realized I've been standing here for a while. Oh yeah, I've been waiting here for a while. I'm looking at the drones. I just wanted you to walk me through a little bit and see if you can help me make a choice here today.
Okay.
So which ones are the best sellers right now? Which,
Okay. Right now,
Uh-huh.
I'm not a drone guy.
You're not a drone guy? Can
Yes,
you
sir.
please send me a drone
I'm
guy?
gonna grab a drone guy and I'm gonna bring him over here just for you.
Please.
problem.
Okay.
No problem.
Thank you.
No problem. I'm gonna get you the best up.
All right. Yep. The second person came, not a drone guy. I appreciate him for coming. I just want someone who will tell me what their best sellers are right now and which ones are people really going for and why. And maybe that's the one I'm gonna get so I can also make some videos, do some reviews about it, and put it online for you guys. Mm-hmm. All right. Any drone guy?
Yeah, this is a drone guy right here. This is a
Oh.
smart home special.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Hey, thank you. How you doing? I'm
Good,
just
sir.
making myself a short video about my experience. If that's okay for you, is that okay? Or you want me to turn the camera off?
I'm sorry, sir. For half of that, I do apologize. I have another conversation in my ear.
Take
What
your
I got
time.
for you?
Finish up.
Please repeat what you were telling about your
No,
camera.
I said I have my camera on. Is that
Yeah.
okay?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay. Okay. Just finish what you're doing. I'm
Absolutely.
patient.
Is my hair okay? My hair okay? Am I good? My eyebrows?
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
Sir.
Yeah. What I wanted to know is what are the big sellers right now and why. Trying to help myself make a choice here because I want to get one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
I
for
would
a
say
moderate
right now,
price too. Yeah.
I'm not sure why there's a screwdriver on the floor. Is that yours, sir?
Nope.
I would say probably the best seller is going to be the DJI line. The reason why is going to be because the drones are so fast. Whenever you buy a drone, if you're looking past the price tag,
Okay.
what's the most important thing is going to be my battery life, my flight time, and then how far away can this thing get? And right now, for Best Buy, DJI is the leading manufacturer for those specs.
Okay.
Very, very fast drones,
So
very
what's-
lightweight.
What's like the battery life for this?
Let me get my cheat sheet and give you accurate answers to your questions. So right now, just starting, I would say right here on this price tag, just to give you an idea of what we're talking about. Phantom 4 Advanced. We're seeing speed is going to be 45 miles per hour. Our max flight distance in miles, 4.3 miles.
Okay.
4.3 miles. Estimated flight time is going to be 30 minutes.
Okay. 30 minutes. That's something.
30 minutes,
Yeah.
4.3 miles.
And I guess the Spark and the Mavic are around that 30 minutes flight time as well.
I would say not quite.
Not quite?
Say the Mavic Pro is 27 minutes, whereas the
Yeah.
Spark is only 16 minutes.
Oh.
Mavic Pro is going to be very, very close at 4 miles away. 4 miles away. A little cheaper price. A
Okay.
little better price. Hey, this is going to be your first drone?
No. I have
What kind of drones do you have in the past?
mostly what Walmart have to offer. I have about there's one called the Two. I have their mostly the Vivitars.
Okay.
Yeah, Aero and Video Drone. That's the last one that I bought about 2 weeks ago. I somehow collect these things, so yeah.
You said how to collect them?
I somehow collect them. Yeah.
Collect them.
Yeah.
I'm worried about the somehow I crashed them. I don't want you to crash your new drone.
No. I don't
Gotcha,
crash them.
gotcha.
No, I don't
Because
crash.
they are expensive. They can't be
Yeah.
insured. Can't be returned.
Yeah. No, I don't crash them. It's kind of a new hobby.
Yeah.
So I was here to get a phone for my wife for Christmas, and
Yeah,
I
yeah,
decided to just
yeah.
look at what you're having here, and then yeah.
Sir. I like the DJI line a lot. Like I said before, they are very fast. They fly very far away.
Okay. And then what about this little guy here? There's a smaller one, a palm size, smaller one. Do you all carry that? The small, it's the tiny little.
Tiny little, yeah.
Yeah. Where is it?
Like I say, sir, over here. Sir, do you ever deal with allergies?
No, really.
Oh man, I'm the worst for them. A gentleman just now, he had his service dog in the store.
Oh yeah, I saw him
And
asking
I
for
was
something.
around that dog maybe for 2 minutes. I can already feel my throat swelling up.
So you're trying to tell me to
eyes.
stay away a little bit?
No, I'm complaining about how allergic to animals I
You still had somebody?
pets I am. I can already feel my throat. Right here.
Exactly.
Neo Drone app.
Exactly. Okay. And have this been flying off the shelf of late?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
Why
sir.
not?
No, sir. It's just like I said before, customers, when they want to get a new drone, it's going to be how long does it last? How many flight time? Even myself.
So what's the flight time of this one?
I like to find out for you, sir. I'm trying to use my phone here. The tool.
I'm sorry. Sorry, I don't want to break nothing.
It's a tool to get you this information for you. I think I actually was shopping for the same drone before, and I kind of got turned off from purchasing it. I mean, you know, it was on a really good sale price. But I said no because of the very, very short flight time. I think it was like a 6-minute battery.
No.
6 minutes battery.
No. Okay.
Battery included, yes.
Okay.
Wireless range 100 feet, 4 rotors, maximum flight time, no payload, 6 minutes. Also,
Then it should be like $5.
yes, that's right. I think whenever I looked at it, it was like $17. But even your drones you had before, they may have a camera attached.
Yep.
That's
they
kind
have
of
a camera attached.
kind of a part of appeal of the drones.
Yeah.
Whereas
This
is
doesn't
no
have it.
payload, no camera, 6 minutes.
Count that out. Is there any other one you could advise me to take a look at right now? Any other drone? Any other one? Maybe
We have a lot of drones, sir. Yes,
apart from those over there?
yes.
Where are they?
They're scattered everywhere, sir. Right here's
Oh.
another option.
Oh, I thought you just
Over
had
here?
those over there. Okay.
This is 35.
And does
Slipstream SRC
and-
stunt drone. Also over here to your
does it have a
left.
camera?
No camera, sir.
No camera. I want one with camera, and I want one with at least 10 minutes of flight.
No. Okay. This is a racing drone. It does have a Canberra 3999, choosing 100.
And these ones have been flying off the shelf, I guess, because it's a racer.
No.
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 How come?
No.
So what do people normally go for?
DJI Mavic.
Oh,
DJI Mavic.
okay. I would say, okay, people are going for the more fancy stuff
we're
and the
here,
more
yeah, some
more
more
re-
options
more
for these,
more reliable. You see,
What's that, sir?
it's a more fancy, reliable. Is that what they're going for?
No, I think it's going to be more for the camera quality,
Okay.
the benefits of the drones.
Okay.
So right here beside me, some more. Helicopter, $70 for a video drone AP. Drone
And what-
with camera.
Drone with camera. Does this
Drone
fly off the
with
shelf?
Camera.
Which of any of this fly off the shelf? Does this? Do people buy this? This one, compared to the racing one?
No. No, sir. No. No. Those two boxes have been sitting there for months and months and months.
Huh.
Even whenever I was wanting to get a drone, I saw that $20. It's usually $100.
Yeah.
It's $20. The battery right next to it, extra battery, $6. Man, I might want to buy it.
So do you
And
have
also,
a drone? Do you have
ask
a
me,
drone?
I show you a drone. You ask me every single time, do these fly off the shelf?
Yep.
No, they don't. Again, my answer would be the DJI Mavic or
Okay.
the Phantom.
Okay.
Those
I
really sell.
apologize if I asked the same
remember
question
whenever
over
we
and
have
over.
Black Friday, the
Uh-huh.
other side there, the $1,000 GoPro Karma drone.
Yeah.
Karma drone, not as fast as the DJI, not as not as amount of distance as
Of
the
the
DJI,
uh-huh.
the Phantoms. But I kid you not, I had 3 customers, standing all next to each other, didn't know each other, but they all wanted that same drone. Black Friday, I sold all 3 of those in less than 20 minutes, and they're $1,000 each.